Replacing a single panel, click Design Flooring. Welcome to the world of Vineo. My name is Patrick Ofenhausen and I'm an application engineer at Windmöller. Today I want to show you how to replace a panel in an installed floor with our Click Design Flooring. We will need the following tools for this: a cutter, a tapping block, a white rubber hammer and a felt tip pen to mark where to cut. So, this is the damaged panel, which is no longer repairable in this state. When it's not possible to repair a panel, it has to be removed from the flooring. To do this, I draw the following cuts on it with a felt tip pen. We cut this triangle out, then this triangle must be cut out and this cut must be made. These steps must be followed to be able to remove the panel. We have now completely removed the panel. When taking it out, it's important not to damage the surrounding panels and joints. The next step is to trim off approx 1 centimeter on each side of the groove so that we can lock the new panel in place when inserting it. These are the only 3 steps you need to follow to install the new panel. There's no need to make any cuts on the panel you're installing. The best thing to do is to take an existing panel from the edge of the installed floor, as it has already gone through the cleaning and maintenance process. That way, there will be no differences in the gloss levels across the floor. Because the design flooring is made of an elastic material, we can easily deform it a little to lay it into the floor. We have locked the tile in place along its long side by bending it. To lock it in place along the short sides, we can take the sheath from the knife, the tapping block and the white rubber hammer and guide it under the push-down locking system with a few light knocks. Once we've pushed the panel under the push-down locking system, we can lock the short sides in place with a white rubber hammer. And that's all there is to it. We have taken out the damaged panel and put in a new one. Because we bent the panel slightly, we've now got a slight hollow under the tile. We recommend wedging down the panel for 12 hours so that it settles in and the hollow goes away. So we've now replaced a panel in the floor quickly and easily. It's important to avoid gluing the individual panels together because they're laid as a floating floor, and if they are glued together, it could be difficult to separate them if another panel needs replacing. Vineo cannot accept any liability for the success of this procedure. We recommend that you test it out a few times yourself. I hope to see you here again soon.